Curvilinear masks. Part 3. Welcome back to Part 3 of our Curvilinear mask series, where we transition from theoretical DeepONet architectures to practical lithography demonstrations. We began our practical validation by synthesizing a baseline dataset simulating a standard 193 nanometers immersion process with a 1.35 numerical aperture. While production environments require highly complex physical simulators like Hopkins TCC or Maxwell solvers, we utilized a simplified forward model to quickly validate the network's learning feasibility. Bypassing the immense computational bottleneck of rigorous physics allows us to rapidly prove that the AI can learn the continuous mapping from mass geometry to aerial image. To ensure the network learned actual physics rather than memorizing patterns, we rigorously verified the outputs using localized critical dimension metrology slices across sensitive minimum pitch distances. After just 200 epochs of training, the DeepONet stabilized into a highly responsive engine that strictly obeys the underlying laws of diffraction. The most critical breakthrough of our research emerged during the simulation of localized computational hotspots, such as tight tip-to-tip line gaps. Unlike traditional convolutional neural networks that must process an entire rigid pixel grid, DeepONets learn a continuous operator mapping based on specific spatial coordinates. This coordinate-based querying allows the DeepONet to evaluate only the exact microregion of a failing hotspot, completely ignoring irrelevant background areas. As a result, this localized surrogate simulation reduces inference times by a factor of 2 or 3 compared to CNNs and achieves staggering 50x speedups over traditional rigorous physical simulators. In following posts, we will discuss inverse optimization process.